Good afternoon. This is Uncle Buddy. I'm just a man that likes to figure out things on his own. I've been working on a 2019 Kia Sportage door handle keyless entry where the rubber button disappeared. I've done quite a bit of research trying to find out what to do about this situation, to no avail. This is the part that I'm talking about. If any of you are familiar or looking for this information, there's plenty of videos that tell you how to take the handle off. So I'm going to skip that process and go straight to my issue. So I finally called the Kia dealer, and they told me to order this, roughly $100. This is what you're going to get in the package. The first thing you have to do after you get the door handle off, you have to make sure you have if I can get it low, there you go, a T5 Torx. You can go to the parts house, pick these up, fairly cheap. Comes in a kit. Then the first thing you have to do after you take the handle off is remove these two little screws, one from this side, one from the back side. The next thing you have to do is pry these wires out of this little groove. The screw you see in the bottom, you leave it intact. To get this thing separated after removing the screws, you have to take something like a screwdriver, or in my case I had a small putty knife, but be very careful because this is plastic and you will scratch it if you're not careful. Once you start prying, you can see these little indentures. There's 3 of them, and if you look inside the handle, there's your 3 indentions. Once you pull these apart, then you can just simply take all of this, and you'll have to do a little bit of prying to get this part out. But it will come out. And then reverse the process and put it all back together. And as you can see on the box label, they call this an antenna assembly. I hope this video helped you out in your endeavors to replace this. It's been a little bit of a trip trying to get to this point, but I'm on my way to put it back together and install it on the car. You all have a great day, and hit like and comments in the section below, and I'll talk to you later.